Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of microbiology to explore the crucial roles bacteria play in the human body. Despite their microscopic size, these tiny organisms have a monumental impact on our health and well-being. From aiding in digestion to bolstering our immune system, bacteria are integral to the delicate balance of our internal ecosystem. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the microbial world within us and discover the profound significance of these unseen allies. Bacteria play many important roles in the human body. Here today, we will talk about the main points regarding bacteria in the human body. Microbiome is an extremely important element that addresses the richness of trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms in the human body. These microorganisms reside primarily in the digestive tract, where they help metabolize nutrients. Additionally, they can also be found in various forms in other areas, such as the skin, mouth, respiratory tract, and reproductive organs. These microorganisms have a deep relationship with the human body and have an important contribution to its balance and health. Gut microbiota is an extremely important microbial community that is most widely studied in endocrine organs. It includes different types of bacteria, such as beneficial bacteria, bacteroidetes, firmicutes, and actinobacteria. These are groups of different bacterial species that contribute to the gut microbiota and play an important role in maintaining the health of the human body. Gut bacteria play an important role in digestion. These bacteria digest and combine carbohydrates, fiber, and other nutrients that the human body cannot digest alone. In addition, they also produce vital vitamins such as vitamin C and some B vitamins. In this form, gut bacteria take over the human digestive function and provide the body with the necessary energy and nutrition by anabolizing nutrients. Gut bacteria play an important role in regulating the immune system. They help the immune system function so it can distinguish between harmless substances and potentially dangerous pathogens, thereby contributing to immune intolerance. This means that gut bacteria play an important role in fighting infection and helping to maintain health. They help the immune system to maintain the body's ability to fight various germs and other infections. Beneficial bacteria in the gut can provide nutrition and replace powerful pathogens. This means that these bacteria can inhibit the growth and reproduction of opposing pathogenic organisms through their migration and food sources. Thus, they play an important role in fighting infection and providing protection. They may also produce antimicrobial substances that block the growth of dangerous bacteria, thereby preventing the entry and growth of unwanted substances. As such, the beneficial bacteria in the gut are important in protecting against infection. Gut bacteria produce various metabolites, such as short-chain fatty acids. These have important metabolic and immunomodulatory effects. Small fatty acid ACVAs, such as acetate, propionate, and butyrate, are primarily associated with the digestive system, being used in the fat assimilation of food and the production of vitamins. Maintaining moderate levels of these fats, such as a balance of ACVAs, encourages healthy digestion and is important for good financial health. In addition, these fats can also affect the immune system, in which they play a protective role. Thus, metabolites produced by gut bacteria play important roles in protection, digestion, and immune system protection. The brain-gut stream is a research area that studies the bidirectional communication pathways between the gut microbiome and the brain. This is called the brain-gut stream. This stream studies a variety of communication processes between gut bacteria and the brain, which includes the production of neurotransmitters and enhancement of the immune system. In this, an attempt is made to understand the depth of the impact on brain function and behavior through the influence of gut bacteria. Through this, we learn how gut bacteria can influence self-efficacy, mental state, and behavior. Disease association. An imbalance in the gut microbiota, called dysbiosis, has been linked to several diseases, such as idiopathic diseases, obesity, diabetes, autoimmune diseases, and mental health conditions, such as depression and anxiety. Medical potential. Manipulating the gut microbiota through interventions such as probiotics, prebiotics, dietary changes, and fecal microbiota modification may help treat or prevent certain diseases and improve general health. Understanding the complex relationships between the human body and its resident bacteria is important for maintaining health and developing new medical interventions. Because the microbiome is an important interface between the body and the environment, these microbes can affect health in many ways. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the vital roles bacteria play in the human body. We hope you gained a deeper appreciation for these remarkable microorganisms and their contributions to our overall health. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing insights into the wonders of science and biology. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the incredible complexities of the natural world around us.